Welcome, in our Decorating a Victorian Living Room video. In this video, we will show how to decorate a Victorian living room such as Classic Victorian Elegance, Eclectic Victorian Bohemian, Modern Victorian Glamour, Romantic Victorian Retreat and Steampunk Victorian Fusion. Come back after intro. Welcome to our video on decorating a Victorian living room. In this video, we will guide you through the process of transforming your living space into a stunning Victorian-inspired haven. We will explore various components and design ideas to help you achieve a truly elegant and timeless look. So, let's get started. In this video, we will discuss first, how to setting the Victoria living foundation. Second, how to creating the seating area. Third, enhancing the focal point. Fourth, illuminating with elegance. Fifth, dressing the windows. Sixth, adding architectural detail. Seventh, reflecting beauty. Eighth, adding texture and opulence. Finally, layering with rugs. Now we discuss details about decorating a Victorian living room. Step first, how to setting the Victoria living foundation. The first step in decorating a Victorian living room is to set the foundation with the right furniture pieces. Begin by selecting a beautiful and luxurious sofa as the centerpiece of the room. Look for intricate detailing and plush upholstery to capture the essence of Victorian design. Add complementary armchairs that match the style and embellishments of the sofa. Remember, comfort and sophistication go hand in hand. Step second, how to creating the seating area. Now that we have our key furniture pieces in place, it's time to create a cohesive seating area. Position the sofa and armchairs around a carefully chosen coffee table. The coffee table should have an elegant design that complements the overall aesthetic. Place side tables near the armchairs to provide convenient surfaces for lamps, books, or decorative items. Step third, enhancing the focal point. A Victorian living room wouldn't be complete without a stunning fireplace as the focal point. Make sure the fireplace stands out by adding a well-decorated mantel. Place decorative items such as vases, candles, or artwork on the mantel to create an eye-catching display. Remember, the mantel should reflect the grandeur and opulence of the Victorian era. Step fourth, illuminating with elegance. Lighting plays a crucial role in Victorian interior design. Install a dazzling chandelier in the center of the room to create a captivating focal point. Consider wall sconces to provide additional lighting and accentuate the charm of the space. Opt for intricate designs that match the overall Victorian aesthetic. Step fifth, dressing the windows. Window treatments are essential for achieving an authentic Victorian look. Choose luxurious curtains or drapes made from rich fabrics like velvet or silk. The curtains should feature ornate patterns or elaborate trimmings to add visual interest. When selecting colors, go for rich and deep hues that complement the room's color scheme. Step sixth, adding architectural detail. Victorian living rooms often incorporate architectural elements to enhance their charm. Crown molding is a popular choice for creating an elegant transition between the walls and ceiling. Consider adding wainscoting to the lower portion of the walls to add texture and a touch of sophistication. These details will elevate the overall Victorian ambience of the room. Step seventh, reflecting beauty. Ornate mirrors are a staple in Victorian interior design. Hang large, intricately framed mirrors on the walls to reflect light and create a sense of spaciousness. These mirrors will not only serve a functional purpose but also add a touch of glamour to the room. Step 8, adding texture and opulence. To enhance the Victorian aesthetic, incorporate wall coverings with patterns, textures, or even a faux finish. This could be in the form of wallpaper or decorative wall panels. Look for designs that exude luxury and capture the essence of the Victorian era. Step finally, layering with rugs. Persian rugs are a perfect addition to a Victorian living room, as they provide both warmth and intricate designs. Place a large Persian rug in the center of the seating area to anchor the space and add a touch of opulence. Ensure that the colors and patterns of the rug. Thanks for watching. To learn more, visit roughhome.com.